At Elite Wellness and Anti-Aging, we understand nagging injuries are sometimes part of training hard and being a high-functioning human. Quick recovery is the key to staying in the game and not losing the improvements achieved in health and fitness. BPC 157 is exactly what is needed in your regimen if you are experiencing a nagging injury. BPC 157 is a protein that can help your body heal itself. The primary areas where BPC 157 is most beneficial are conditions like stomach ulcers, arthritis, and minor muscle or tendon tears. If you are experiencing pain or injury, click Add to Cart now to get started. Our doctor will review your medical records and process your request. Medication ships directly to your door within 72 hours. If you are not yet a patient at Elite Wellness and Anti-Aging, visit hormonetherapyntx.com and click on Book Appointment. Our office is in Salina, Texas on Preston Road. You will need lab work and a physical consultation once every 6 months.